C# is probably my favorite language, mostly because you can just do so much with it. Although it can be difficult to master, it's pretty easy to learn. And you can learn something quickly and actually start doing things with it almost immediately. You can build complex applications or simple applications. You can do so in a windowed environment, a console environment, a web environment. I can build very complex enterprise-level web applications or focus on small little department-based applications. And I can do all of this with a single language. And now we see C# being used in cloud computing as well, and providing a backbone for additional processing of the data and the algorithms necessary to kind of move us forward in our modern world. Once you've learned how to program in C#, you can apply that knowledge to many other programming languages. So if I learn C#, it's directly applicable in working with Java. The languages are very close. But it's also applicable to other things. Certainly C, C++, but even things like Python and JavaScript. I think that this is a great place to start if you've never been a programmer. And if you have been programming for a while, it is a great opportunity to get involved with a modern language that just keeps growing. The people that typically take the C# certificate are students who have been working in the industry for a while as an IT professional, but they may not have much programming background. Or they will have some programming background, but they want to look for a new language that can do more of what they need. After you complete the certificate, you will be able to apply for many different positions. That's because C# ties into so many different areas. And there are plenty of jobs in the Seattle area that require, or at least desire, C# programming. So that's another exciting aspect about being a student of the certificate. When you get that certificate completed, there's a lot of job opportunities available to you.